In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse themes in Payhip. We'll start simple. Open your browser and go to Payhip. If you aren't signed in yet, log in so you land on your dashboard. Being on the dashboard ensures you're in the right place to access your store's design options and see changes as you explore them. From the dashboard, look for the Store section. Click into Store to open the area where you manage how your shop looks and feels. This is the hub for your storefront's presentation, so it's the natural next step before you dive into themes. Inside the store area, find the themes page. Go ahead and click into it. This page is dedicated to your visual options and is where you'll spend time comparing different layouts and styles. Think of it as a gallery of storefront designs you can test drive before you commit. Now you're ready to browse. You'll see a collection of beautifully designed themes that are fully customizable. Each theme is built to work smoothly with Payhip's storefront features, and you can adjust colors, fonts, and sections later to match your brand. As you scroll, notice the variety. Some themes emphasize bold product imagery, others highlight collections or long-form descriptions. Pick a few that visually align with the kind of shopping experience you want your customers to have. Keep browsing at your own pace. Take a moment to scan the thumbnails and short summaries. Consider what matters most for your store: a clean product grid, prominent calls to action, space for testimonials, or a strong blog and content section. If you sell digital products, you might prefer a theme that spotlights downloads and instant delivery notes. If you sell physical items, a layout that showcases variants and shipping info may feel better. Once a theme catches your interest, click it to open the preview. In the preview, move through key pages like the home page and product pages to get a feel for flow and hierarchy. Look for clear navigation, readable typography, and strong contrast so your buttons stand out. Imagine your own images and copy in place of the placeholders, and check whether the layout still feels balanced. Pay attention to spacing and how featured sections guide the eye toward add to cart moments. It also helps to picture how the theme will handle larger catalogs versus a smaller curated lineup. That's it. You went to Payhip, opened your dashboard, clicked Store, went to the themes page, browsed, and previewed a theme you liked. Explore a few options, and when you find the one that best fits your brand, you'll be ready for customization next.